What is Shabu Shabu? This dish is a popular style of nabimono or Japanese hot pot, featuring paper-thin slices of tender meat and fresh vegetables cooked together in a large open pot. My family were treated to this very unique experience of Shabu Shabu Eat All You Can by my beautiful family. This particular way of eating hot pot dining originated in Osaka, Japan in the 1950s and has since spread all across Japan and other countries like the Philippines. Shabu Shabu was enjoyed at home, especially during cold climate. The best thing about Shabu Shabu is that the ingredients can be customized to one's own taste and preferences. Thank you, Tito Titik, for the home-cooked Shabu Shabu.